Hi, this is Master Hun, and I'm going to show you how to open up Scratchpad in Mozilla Firefox. You hold down the Shift key and then press F4. Unfortunately, my laptop, which will be different from your laptop, actually I have to hold down this extra Fn key to make the function key works. So this would be different on your laptop. And then as we can see we have Scratchpad here, and basically it's let's say I'll bring it down so you can see. Basically it's a JavaScript mini editor, and it's not super complicated, but it's sorry, delete all this. Okay. And if you first you have to have Mozilla Firefox. First you have to have Firefox open, but let me just show you. I'll close it. And I will open it back up again. So again, I have Mozilla here. I have Mozilla here, Mozilla Firefox, or just Firefox open, and then I hold down the Shift key and then I press F4 and I open up the Scratchpad JavaScript editor here, and I'll just do a very short one-line code program. Alert, and the only thing alert does is just brings up a pop-up box, and then I'm sorry, okay, sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but there's okay, you should be able to see this. There's a little word here that says run, so I coded my little one-line program, alert hello exclamation mark, and I just hit run, and then a pop-up box appears here. I'm sorry, that's hard to see, but a pop-up box will appear in your web browser. It says hello. It's hard, I'm sorry, it's hard for the camera to focus, my phone camera, but it says hello over here. It says hello, and then you click on there's an OK button. You click on the OK button, and it makes it go away. Okay, so this was just a very short demonstration of Scratchpad. Scratchpad has nothing to do with the Scratch programming language. Scratch is a programming language for kids. Scratchpad is the JavaScript mini editor that comes built in free with Mozilla Firefox, or Firefox, which is a free download, and you can download Firefox from, if you don't already have it, you can download it from www.mozz as in zoo, ILLA.org. Again, that's mozilla.org, and it's a free download, and they have versions for Windows, Mac, Linux. And then if you want to learn a little bit more about Scratchpad, Firefox Scratchpad, you can go to developer, I hope you can see this, developer.mozilla.org, and that will have, has tons and tons of information about all their web development tools that come free with Firefox. Okay, thank you for listening to my video. I hope you can understand what I'm talking about. Bye.